I just want to walk you through my most recent purchases and the preparation for the first race of my racing career. Done some sprints and hill climbs, but this is going to be the first competitive head-to-head racing that I've done. It's going to be circuit racing, and it's a very daunting prospect. So just going to talk you briefly through the equipment I've got and just show you some of the new purchases I've made ahead of that first race. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of kit. This is predominantly stuff for myself, personal kit. The only original item I was been using for my previous racing in sprint and hill climb track days is my race suit, which I've had a number of years now, and my Sparco balaclava. Now that's only because that is my original one. I do have another one coming from RRS, the company who have produced my underwear. Really pleased with it, but it hasn't arrived yet. They don't have them in stock. But other than that, all of my kit is new. Unfortunately, I've had to outlay on that, but it is what it is, and it's all in the aim of safety. So starting on the inside, I've got this new Nomex fireproof underwear, customised, as I say, from RRS. They're a French company, or they're based in France, and they've done me a really good price on a custom top with my sponsors, OP, Demon Tweaks, Wessex Trailers, socks, bottoms. As I say, I have a balaclava coming, but yeah, really impressed with this. I've also got another name on the back, PT Sports Cars. Again, I think I've mentioned those in a previous video. Ian Payne, really helpful chap, knows what he doesn't know about Caterhams isn't worth knowing. So I recommend PT Sports Cars for anything Caterham related. Moving on, I've got my race suit. So this is a Sparco 2-layer. It's an 8856-2000 homologation, so it's the current homologation, so it's suitable for use in all forms of motorsport, FIA competition, etc. I also have some gloves, new gloves. These are the RG3s. I decided to go with the red scheme just because I wasn't sure it matches completely with the original suit, but it's close enough. Got some new Sparco boots, slalom. Not entirely happy with those, but my previous ones were go-kart boots, so unfortunately you can't use those in a circuit racing environment. Moving down, got the HANS device. I've done another video on that. Again, another video I've made is on my Bell helmet. Very impressed with that. Used it first time out of Rockingham with the HANS device. Slightly restrictive, very tricky to get used to initially, but after a while, a few laps, you kind of forget that it's there, and you can't really imagine racing without one, to be honest. It's a no-brainer. The other items that I purchased from RRS are these extinguishers. Now the one on the left is just a handheld. It's not necessarily motorsport spec, but it's going to be good enough for in the pit garage, in my garage, or in my car. So it's always good to have those things around just in case the worst happens. And this one on the right is a bottle that's going to go in the car. So it's a 4 1/4 litre bottle. The one in my car at the moment is 2 1/4. This one is actually suitable for saloon cars. So you can see the dates, when it was manufactured and so on. I've also got all the fittings, fixtures and new pipework, new cable pulls. That's going to be going in the car this weekend. A little frustrated about the size of it, but it is in the aid of safety, so it's a byproduct in an unfortunate situation, but better that than the alternative. Now, altogether, this kit has cost me a reasonable amount of money. I was under no illusion that motorsport was expensive. I've been around it for a number of years now. It's an investment. If you look at it as purely an expense, you'll get frustrated, you'll shake your head, you'll get angry about it. You can't do that. You have to look at it as an investment in your car, but also your personal safety, and you can't put a price on that. So items like this, fireproof underwear, you can't put a price on this. Same with the suit, same with the extinguisher. It's an insurance policy. Hopefully none of us will ever be in the situation where we'll need them, but if we are, we know we've got the right kit, we are current, we're safe, and the track marshals and officials, we're going to do everything they can to make sure that we're safe and the competitors around us are safe. So ultimately we all get to go home at the end of the day to the pub and have a good old laugh about that move that I should have made, or the pole position that I nearly got but didn't quite. But they're looking out for us ultimately. That's the way I've been approaching things.
Well, I hope this video has been a little bit informative to you. It's a very, very brief overview of the kit, but hopefully it will give those of you that are new to the sport an idea of what equipment is necessary, what it's needed, and also those of you that are in the sport, you could actually maybe look at some different kit that I've got, see the quality of the RRS clothes. I was very sceptical, dubious about them, but overall I'm very impressed. I mean, the quality of them is, as far as I'm aware, as far as I'm concerned, I'm very, very happy with them. Again, with the Sparco overalls, never had an issue with those. They've always been very comfortable. They're very hard wearing, and the Bell helmet is just it's. There's a reason they've been making them for so many years. There's a reason that they have a reputation for themselves. And again, with the Schroth HANS device, it's just a cracking piece of kit. So if you've got any questions, do feel free to let me know. Leave a comment, get in touch, whatever you feel you want to do, and we can have a chat and talk you through some of the stuff that I've been going through. All right, thank you very much, guys. Till next time, cheers.